Hello, my topic for my paper is analysis of different algorithms for human face recognition and implementation. Let's get started. The first look at the abstract. The first, I introduce the basic knowledge of the face recognition field. And second, I describe the PC algorithm in detail. And I also implemented a face recognition system based on PC using MATLAB. This is the outline for my presentation. The first is the introduction, the second is the definitions, the third is the principal component analysis, and the fourth is implementation and results. The final is the future work. Let's first look at introduction. Face recognition technique is a relatively new technique. It's an important application in computer vision and pattern recognition field, which had very quick development in recent 2 decades. Nowadays, with the widespread usage of Internet, the increasing number of the personal information is stored in the Internet, such as credit information, insurance information, and something like that. So the security should be paid more attention. Face recognition technique provides us a method to deal with this problem. And it has different algorithms for face recognition. I will talk about it later. And now to look at the definition. What is a face recognition? Face recognition is that given a database, it contains the different face images, which may have a large amount, and for different persons who can have only one or more images. So the task of the face recognition is to train this database to construct a system that can recognize the identity of the face when you input a new face images to the system. So the system can identify your identities. So it can be used for the authentication. There are several algorithms for face recognition. For example, the feature-based algorithms, appearance-based algorithms, template-based algorithms, and you can also use neural network for recognition algorithms. Face recognition is widely used in reality world. For example, you can use it on the face detection and autofocus on camera. And it can also be used by policemen for criminal investigation and access control system, and also the monitoring system. Access control system is like you install the face recognition system on the front door, and if you want to enter the building, you must recognized by the system. If you're not in the database, you cannot enter the building. Now I focus on the principal component analysis. So what is the PCA? The PCA is a mathematical procedure that uses the orthogonal transformation to convert a set of observations of possibly correlated variables into a set of values of linear uncorrelated variables called principal components. This is the definition of Wikipedia. It looks abstract to understand. So you can regard PC as an algorithm to extract a feature of the face. And engine algorithms are generally used in this process. So a set of engine faces can be generated by performing PCA on a large set of images. I call the training images. And what is the engine faces? You can regard engine faces as a set of base standard faces. And any face can be considered to be a combination of these standard faces. For example, your face might be composed of the mean face, like or average face, plus 5% from the first engine phase, 32% from the second engine phase, minimum minus 23% from the third engine phase. So the process of the recognition to project the test phase image to the subspace constructed by the engine phase and to compare the position of it with the position of the images in the databases. The recognized result would be the positions which had the minimum distance. So now I will demonstrate my implementation and result to you. In my project, I use the MATLAB as a software and development tool, and there are two folders. The first it contains the training images, and the second contains the test images. The training images has 9 images for 3 people. The first is a Chinese girl, the second is a Kobe Bryant NBA star, and the third is Avia, a female singer. And each has 3 training images. And in the test images, there contains 3 photos, and it's a new pictures for each person. The task is recognize their identities. I will show you how to do this. This is the resource code. You should open it in MATLAB. When you press Run, the command window will show training succeed, and please select the test images. So now the program already trained all the pictures in the training folder and construct a system. Now the engine faces are stored in the database. So if you input new images, it will do the face recognition. Let's say I want to recognize the second picture. So it should be Kobe Bryant. Let's see the result. Yes, this is the test image, and this is the images stored in the database. And it says this is Kobe Bryant, so the result is right. And I will do another 2 tests for another 2 pictures. And press Run, and then select the first, and this is the result. Yeah, the answer is right. And for the third images, it should be Avia. Let's see. Yes, this is right. It is Avia. It looks like all the results are right. Let's back to the presentation. This slide shows what I do. And the result I show you shows that the recognition accuracy and the speed are in a good performance. And every test image is recognized correctly. So that is why the PC algorithm is widely used in reality now. However, this system is not good when the amount of training sample is little. Like what I do in my project, there are only 9 pictures. And the difference, and another factor is the difference of test images is small. So, if, for example, if I add a LeBron James, another mid star, which is also black man in the test images. So, if amount of training samples is little, it may be recognized as a Kobe. So, the system needs a large amount of training samples to construct the face space. It will have a better recognition accuracy. In the future work, I will add more training samples in the database and test the performance of this system.